I was to ask you, can you make money with a blog? Some of you would say, I don't think so. Some of you would say maybe. Some of you would say yes. The ones that said yes, if I asked you, how do you make money with a blog? Chances are you would say, I don't know. Or you might say, Google AdSense. Throw up some AdSense ads, and that's how I'm going to make money with my blog. Well, that, for the most part, is true. You can make money with your ads, but how do you really get the traffic that you need to your blog? Because that's where the money's going to be. The more people that hit your blog, the more money you're going to make. So really, it's not so much an issue of how specifically do I make the money with the blog. It's how do I get a ton of traffic to that blog. The bottom line here is that as of right now, blogs are hot. Lots of people are doing it. It's a big thing. So you need to differentiate yourself from other people that are in your specific niche. And like I said, you're going to generate income basically with like AdSense or some other type of affiliate program, or maybe selling ad space. If you get enough traffic, then you'll be able to sell ad space. But since blogs are so hot, since everybody's trying to make money on a blog, how are you going to set yourself apart from somebody else that's in your same niche? Well, one thing that you can do is to maximize the interest of the people that are coming to your blog. And you're going to do that with video. People are basically nowadays, they're demanding video. There's got to be something there interactive so that you can keep their attention. It's just about to the point where if your blog just has text, it's going to be really hard to get a large subscriber base, essentially, people that are coming there regularly by the thousands to come see what you have to say. Now, if you've got a video blog, people are much more interested in that. For example, let's say that you had two blogs. One of them was text and maybe a little still picture or something at the top of the article. The other one, these are both in the same niche, even, both very, very interesting people that know what they're talking about. But the other one is a simple video blog where the things that they're going to talk about, maybe they've got a presentation with some slides, but maybe a video of them talking to the viewers. Which one do you think people are going to be more inclined to go view? It's going to be the one that has the video, hands down. Video allows you to speak directly to the people that are coming to visit your blog. That intimacy where they can make a connection with you, that's what's going to keep them coming back. So what Camtasia lets us do is capture the video, maybe your desktop if you're doing some kind of presentation, or even if you're just showing somebody how to do something. And then you've got also the capability of hooking a camera up, capturing some live video, and giving some type of address to somebody. I'm actually going to be showing you exactly what that looks like here in a few videos. It keeps people's interest. And the more you're able to, offer them something that's above and beyond what everybody else is doing, then the more viewers you're going to have. The more viewers that you have, the more you're going to make that money off of your AdSense or another affiliate program. If you're selling ad space, whatever you're doing to monetize on your blog, you want to maximize that monetization. And what we're going to be taking a look at, I've got several examples actually of people that are doing this. They're having a blog that is strictly video. And also we're going to look at a couple of sites that make that real easy for you to do by providing you with the means. But the first one we're going to look at is ryanedit.blogspot.com. Now, he is using a free blog hosting service. Okay, and you can go to blogger.com if you want to. You'll sign up, and they'll get you a nice domain like this with whatever name you want, .blogspot.com. That's a free service. We're going to take a look at it. It looks pretty nice. It's very, very popular. The reason that I selected this one is because there are some keywords, and I forget which keywords I was searching for, but I was searching for something specifically. He shows up on the first page, just somebody that has a blog on this particular topic. The next URL is VidBlogs. This is where you can go. It's a place that allows you, again, kind of like what Blogger does, but it's a collection of video blogs. Vobo.com, that's another one. And then I've got another example of somebody that's actually using this concept on their blog. John Mundell, he's a chef, got tons of video on there. So let's go ahead and hop over to Internet Explorer. This is Ryan's site. Again, each one of these entries has video. All kinds of video. And the reason that, was he using Camtasia with all of this? No, because he's going out there and, carrying an actual camera with him and recording that way. But you can take that video that you recorded, you can bring that into Camtasia. Camtasia will let you do, I'll be upfront with you, okay? I create some pretty high-end video presentations. In order to get, a lot of effects and different things, I have to use a high-end package like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, things like that. Those are applications that take a long time to learn how to use. They've got a pretty high learning curve. Camtasia allows you to do a lot of similar things like making cuts and transitions and popping text up on the screen. A lot of basic video editing capability, and it's really easy to learn. In fact, I'm going to be telling you later on where you can go to get a complete training package for Camtasia, and literally you'll be up and running within hours and being able to produce your own good quality videos. So any one of these, you would just click on it. Let's go to one that, let's do this one right here. We just click and a video player loads. I'm going to let that buffer ahead just a little bit. We're not going to watch the whole thing, so I'll click play. Okay, it plays right here in his blog. Now, why is he doing this? Well, he's monetizing, obviously, on his blog. And again, like I said, this is a very popular blog. Ranks very high, demands interest. The reason is because it's got video on it. Now, let's go over, I'll tell you what, we'll go to John Mundell first. Same type of situation. This is his blog. That is essentially what this is. All of these are articles. You can read all kinds of stuff about his opinions, all this kind of stuff, but it's got video. Again, Camtasia allows you to just, go out there. Let me go ahead and start this. Videotape, do whatever you need to do with whatever tools you have, and you can bring that back into, my bandwidth is terribly slow, but you can bring that back to your computer, pop it into Camtasia, do a lot of really good editing, basic editing capabilities there. Easy to learn, and it'll allow you, one thing that's really great about Camtasia is they realize that, people that aren't video producers are wanting to do these things. So, and maybe you're not a web guru. That's fine. Camtasia allows you to not only edit the package, but then you can produce it in a format that basically is like plug and play. You just pop it into your web page. You can produce it as Flash, as QuickTime files, all kinds of stuff. Now, let's go ahead and look at some video blogging sites. And this is where I'm not going to, click on any of these because I have no idea what's going to come up here. But this is a place, go in here, read a little bit more about it. If I can't sell you on the power of video, then go in here and read up on this because they will. This is where it's at, my friend. Video blogs are hot. But again, this one's vidblogs.com. Vobo is another one. These are places that you can go and set up your own video blog. So check them out. Camtasia's got features geared specifically towards podcasting and blogging. And just like with case studies, this can be another technique that, directly does not make you money, but it allows you to build up more revenue by increasing the success rate of, an existing monetization technique like with your AdWords or with another affiliate program.